Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete an event from Facebook. So let's start the video. Open Facebook app on the home page. Tap on the menu icon, then scroll down and select Events. Find the event you want to delete. Tap on it. Now click on Manage. From the menu that appears, click on Edit. At the bottom right of your screen, you will see the delete icon. Tap on it to delete the event. Now tap on Cancel Event. It will cancel your event and delete it from Facebook. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions regarding the issue, leave them in a comment below. See you in the next video. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.